SeqMan Engine is DNASTAR's software for next-gen sequence assembly. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to run an assembly. And for an example, I'm going to do a reference-guided assembly using E. coli data from Illumina. So the first step is to choose my project type, and I'm going to keep the selection of genome assembly. And then I need to choose an assembly type. Since we're using E. coli data and we're assembling it against a reference sequence, I'm going to choose templated assembly small genomes. Here I need to enter my project name, and I also need to specify a project folder, which is where all of my output files will be saved. Then I need to add my reference sequence. So I will click Add and navigate to where I have that saved. Here I need to add my reads. So the first step here is to choose your read technology. And as I mentioned before, we're using Illumina data for this example. And these are paired end reads. So I'll click on the Add button from the paired end reads section and then navigate to the two text files I have that contain my reads. Here this is asking me to specify an insert size, which is the expected distance between the pairs. And if you don't know, it's safe to just leave the default value. That's what I'm going to do and just click OK. And then I'm taken to the Read Options page. This allows me to adjust the parameters used for running pre-assembly scans. But I'm going to just leave the default settings as they are here and click Next. And then I'm taken to the Assembly Options page. This allows me to adjust parameters related to the assembly. Unless you have a specific reason for changing these, it's a good idea to leave the default settings because SeqMan Engine automatically optimizes these based on the read technology, assembly type, and project type selections that we made earlier in the wizard. So I'll click Next, and that's really all I need to do to set up the project. The final step is to click Assemble, and that will begin the assembly. Once the assembly is finished, it's automatically opened in SeqMan Pro. And from here you have access to all of the analytical tools that you may already know, such as annotating the consensus, evaluating coverage using the coverage graph in the strategy view, as well as the coverage report, and analyzing SNPs using our comprehensive interactive SNP report, which, among other features, gives you the ability to filter in many different ways so that you can easily narrow down and focus your results. If you want to learn more about SeqMan Engine or about any of our software, please visit our website at DNASTAR.com or contact us at support@DNASTAR.com.